Hello students, and welcome to this video for exercise number 8, critical thinking. Now what that really means is we're not really learning a new skill here. We're taking the old skills that we've learned and using them and applying them to a new document. And so for this one, we're actually start with a blank document. So open up Publisher if you need to, and then we're going to use some templates here. So I'm going to click on built-in, and we're going to use the color band quick publication. So color band quick publication, that means I click on built-in, then I go to quick publications, and then color band is right here. So I choose that, quick publications, color band. After that it says choose a colorful bright color scheme. So colorful, bright, I'm going to go with citrus, that's pretty bright. For the layout, choose heading only. So layout, I'm going to choose heading only. So I got to look through my list. And right down here towards the bottom is heading only. And then choose galley as the font scheme. So font scheme, galley. It's an alphabetized list, so I have to go down here past F. And then voila, right here. So it should look something like this. I'm going to go with citrus. You can choose a different color scheme, but the other things should be correct. Alright. And then I'm going to click create. Now it says edit the text to Science Fair Room 121. So Science Fair Room 121 is how it should read. Then I'm going to save this publication. I'm going to save it 2 times. So first time I save it, I'm going to save it as 08 sign 1 underscore your initials. So 08 sign 1 underscore your initials. Then I'm going to save it again, so I have to do file, save as, choose the current folder, 0 sign 2 underscore your initials. So you're going to save it first time as 0 sign 1 underscore your initials, and then the second time is 0 sign 2 underscore your initials, and save it to the same folder. Now it says switch the publication layout to message only. So I'm going to go to page design, and then I'm going to go to, let's see here, I believe change template, yeah, that's right, and then layout design to message only. And remember, the way I got here was page design tab, change template, and then I'm going to choose message only and click OK. Now it says replace the sample text with the text from pub08.doc. So I click in the text box, I'm going to get rid of this text, and I'm going to click the insert tab, insert file, and then I got to go to my folder here for it, and it's again pub08. It's a Word document. Pub08, and it's a Word document. So right down here. I'm going to click OK. It's going to put the text in there for me. And then it says open the text for editing in Word and rearrange the events so they are in chronological order. We're just going to rearrange it in here. There's no point in doing that. So chronological order. So I need my introduction. I'll zoom in here actually for you guys. So I need to rearrange it. So obviously the introduction should go before exhibits open for viewing, and then the awards should go before closing presentation. And I'm actually going to get rid of this space here to make it look more even. Alright, I'm going to save my work that I've done so far. Then it says resize the text box so the top aligns with the 3-inch mark on the vertical ruler, and place a new text box in that space. So it needs to line up with this 3-inch mark right here. So I'm going to grab the top part. Now notice it's from the 2-inch mark, so basically I'm going to create a new text box up here after that. So grab it, move it down to the 3-inch mark, and then create a new text box. I'm going to line it up. I want it to be about the same width as what I did before. Oh, shoot. Let me try that again. You may need to zoom in to make it a little bit easier for you. So let's just do, it looks like it was lined up about here, and then the 2-inch mark. So right here, you can see I've lined it up to the 1-inch, close to the 2-inch mark on that horizontal ruler, the ruler up at the top, and 2-inch. And I'm just going to line up just like that. And you can see I was doing it right because the pink line comes up. Okay. Now, we made that new text box. cut and paste the title, Science Fair Schedule Events, from its original location into the new text box. So right up here, I'm going to take this, cut it, and then I'm going to paste it here in this one. Excuse me, and then set the new text box to best fit. So right up here, I clicked in here, text fit, best fit, just like that. And now it should look something like this. I'll zoom out a little bit for you. So you gotta look at your margins and make sure, or your rulers here. This is the vertical ruler, and this is horizontal. Then it says print the schedule using the default print settings. So we're going to do Microsoft Print to PDF. Choose print. Remember to save it. And you're going to use 08 sign 2 underscore your initials. Don't do .pub. Don't click on this. So 08 sign 2 underscore your initials. Not .pub. Save it. And then it says close sign 2. And then reopen sign 8. So I'm just going to open it here. And do the same thing. You want to print it using Microsoft Print to PDF. Save it with the same name. 08 sign 1 underscore your initials. And then save it. And that is how you finish it. So you need the 2 PDFs for each one, and then you're going to be submitting 0 sign 1 underscore your initials, that looks like this, and 08 sign 2 underscore your initials, and it looks like this. And that is how you complete exercise number 8.